So I'll leave you with this notion. If someone asks you, do you believe in UFOs? Most likely that's not what they mean. If they have looked at the notion of epistemology, most likely what they mean when they ask that question is, do you believe that UFOs are from other planets or galaxies? So the question, do you believe in UFOs, is not a very good question. It's not an accurate or precise question in most cases when it is uttered. Why? Because UFOs exist. What are UFOs? Again, I'm a person about language. I'm a writer. I want to know what meaning is encoded in every single word that we utter. UFO means unidentified flying object. So, to ask, do you believe in UFOs, is to ask, do you believe that there are unidentified flying objects? The answer to this is, with 99% assuredness, yes, unidentified flying objects exist. If I'm sitting here and a fly whizzes past my head so quickly that I couldn't see what it was, I would say, oh, that was UFO, because I saw something flying, but I could not identify it. So, a UFO is a thing which exists. Interestingly, you can go on the internet and elsewhere and find accounts of thousands and thousands and thousands of people who have seen a UFO. Many thousands. And now I will tell you, this includes many military pilots, many radar, people who work with radar in the military, commercial pilots, astronauts, physicists, scientists, just thousands and thousands of people, many credible, trained witnesses who have seen unidentified flying objects. They were up in the air, or they were in the control tower. They were watching the radar, and an object appeared in their line of vision or on their instrument that they were watching, and they have been unable to identify what that object was. Now, I can tell you that if you are interested, you can go to MUFON's website. So that is spelled MUFON. This is an organization that collects data on UFOs. And if you start to look into this, it's very fun and interesting, because about 5% of reported UFOs remain unidentified. 95% are identified. So yes, you can say, if you say I don't believe in UFOs, what you mean is my opinion is based on the data which says that almost all flying things can be identified. It turns out most of them are airplanes, military projects that have not been declassified yet, birds, flashes of light, artifacts on digital artifacts on the film that someone took, or hoaxes. So it is the 5% that no one is able to identify or decode that interests the people in the field of ufology. So, to wrap this all up, epistemology is the study of the nature of knowledge. It is the examination of what is knowable and what is not knowable. And so, I hope this has been interesting for you. I can't wait to continue the conversation. Once again, my fellow Earthlings, I send to you infinite love, light, peace, and power. Please do like this video. Check it out on my website. I'll be posting it soon there. I will be continuing this series about epistemology, about UFOs, about compassion. Check out my website, my readings, my written work, my other videos on YouTube. Join the conversation. This is our Earth. We make reality, and that's a lot of responsibility. We do it together. I love you guys. Have a great day.